I'm here on the side of the road putting out a fire.
Okay, yeah. It should be with the intake email. Please send the LOP to our intake email.
Can you please schedule her back?
Yes, we'll do. I'll inform the intake.
Okay, you can handle that now?
Will be the intake who will be calling the patient once we receive that email.
Okay, will she call her today?
Yes.
Okay.
I will let them know that you sent one.
Thank you. This kind of stuff happens all the time in a car accident case. Either the insurance company claims they never received our notice of representation, a new medical doctor claims that they never received the client referral, or they didn't receive the letter of protection. Sometimes a client misses an appointment and then you call the client and the client said, I didn't even know that I had an appointment. Other times medical records never get received even though you requested them a month ago. You get faxes that confirm that the fax went through, but then the other side, whether it's an insurance company or medical provider or any other types of person involved in a car accident case, they claim that they never received the fax. There's so many types of fires that happen during a car accident case, and it's up to you to make sure that these fires get put out right away. Because if they're not put out right away, then the case starts to suffer. If you think about your car accident case as a building that's burning, you want to get that fire put out right away. Call the fire department, get your fire extinguisher, grab the hose, put that fire out right away. Because if you don't, that building is going to burn down. Part of really maximizing the full value of your car accident case is being able to strategically develop and structure the case. You want tight treatment. You want tight communication. You want thorough communication. You want transparent communication. You want to make sure that the person on the other line understands what you are saying, because sometimes people receive things differently. I may think I'm saying one thing, but somebody else is receiving another. Not to mention that's how most relationships end, because of communication. My wife was brought up in a Spanish household. I was brought up in an East Coast, New York household. Sometimes I will say something to her and she takes it the wrong way. Sometimes she will say something to me and I take it the wrong way, but neither one of us intended it to be distributed like that. We all grew up in different households where our communication skills were formed for the most part. And truthfully, I think the most successful people in the world are good communicators. They can recognize when someone doesn't understand them and articulate the words in a different way. Anyway, that's one aspect of a car accident case where these fires occur, and you got to put them out right away so that the case keeps on moving along and there's no problem and there's no buildings burning down. Hope this video has been educational or helpful to you. If you'd like a free case evaluation, feel free to reach out anytime. 832-925-2030. God bless you and have a good day.